Now, some people say our curiosity gets us into trouble, right? Our insistence on asking questions, our insistence on probing away at the mysteries of being and tinkering with nature has inevitably gotten us into trouble. Now, certainly there are unintended consequences to our probing. Certainly when you play with fire, you might get burned. But my friends, what defines us is our exploratory itch. What defines us is our fire in the belly. To be human is to transcend our limits. To be human is to overcome our boundaries. When we dream of space exploration, we dream of transcendence. We dream of what we might become. Our boredom, our jadedness, our refusal to heed the call, right? Our conformity comes from fear. It comes from us lacking the courage to do what we're born to do what we're designed to do, which is to probe, to explore, to transcend, to heed that call, to take that journey, to awaken the mind's attention from the lethargy of custom. Walker Percy perhaps said it best. The search is what anyone would undertake if they were not sunk, drowning in the everydayness of their own life. To become aware, just to become aware of the possibility of the search is to be on to something. You know what I'm talking about. Not to be on to something is to be in despair. Barthes, he said, the curtain parts and what had never been seen is devoured by the eyes. Ow! We want to eat new interpretable information. We want to take in information through the visual cortex, which occupies half our brain, which is connected to opioid receptors. We get high from taking in new information. We are not herbivores. We are not carnivores. We are infovores, right? Designed to desire, to probe, to understand. Carl Sagan said, understanding is a kind of ecstasy. Isaiah Berlin said, to understand is to perceive patterns. We are the music makers. We are the dreamers of dreams. My friend, do not give up. Get out there. Heed the call. Take the journey. The cave you fear holds the treasure you seek. What you are seeking is seeking you.